Hey, 8th grade, it's Mr. Gardner with a lesson review for Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. We did a review of the First Amendment, which is made up of 5 different rights: religion, press, speech, assembly, and petition. Religion is how an individual feels about something, generally a higher power, and the fact with this is the government is not supposed to interfere with your religion by making you practice one or prohibiting you from exercising your religion. Press has to do with asking questions. Speech has to do with saying what's on your mind. You are allowed to assemble peaceably. Assemble means you get people together, and that is fine, but it has to be done in a peaceful manner. You're also allowed to petition your government regarding grievances. The Second Amendment, a quick review: the right to keep and bear arms. This one is debatable because of this militia clause. It talks about a militia here, but then it talks about people. So people are unsure what exactly this means and who can own the weapons. But it does have to do with the right to keep and bear arms. The Third Amendment is one that is not heard of very often. It's never been to the Supreme Court, and it's rarely been in any court for that matter. Many people don't know what the Third Amendment is or what it means. The Third Amendment is all about the fact that you don't have to quarter or house soldiers in your home. Back before this was all written, regular citizens had to quarter or house soldiers, which means they had to keep them in their homes. They had to give them a place to sleep, food to eat. It was intimidating and an invasion of privacy. So when the framers put this document together, they wanted to make sure that regular citizens didn't have to house soldiers. So that's why this amendment is here. The Fourth Amendment has to do with this thing called search and seizure. You know what search means. That means looking through things. Seizure in this case has to do with taking things. And the Fourth Amendment says that it's the right of the people to be secure or safe in their persons, and that's you and your body, that's your person. Secure in houses, papers, and that could be financial records or medical records or bills, and effects. And effects, that's your stuff. So you have the right, people have the right to be safe and secure in these things from an unreasonable search or seizure. So someone just can't walk up to you and ask you to empty your pockets. Somebody can't knock on your door and want to look around or take something. That would be theft. Now, if probable cause is there, and we talked about probable cause is strong suspicion, possibly some evidence, that can be taken before a judge and a warrant can be issued to allow someone to search and or seize things. All right. First Amendment, religion, press, speech, assembly, petition. Second Amendment, right to keep and bear arms. Third Amendment, no quartering of soldiers, no housing of soldiers in private homes. Fourth Amendment, search and seizure. You are safe in your person, your home, your papers, and your effects from an unreasonable search and seizure. If probable cause exists, which is strong suspicion or evidence, a warrant may be issued which would allow someone in authority, like the police, to search and seize.